In the previous video we discussed about set next stage and run to this stage. Now in this video we'll discuss about enable calculation zoom. This is the part of debug, enable calculation zoom. I didn't find any specific use of this enable calculation zoom. I didn't find any purpose of this, but I can show you how to use that and how it will look like. So basically it will zoom that specific calculation stage and it will show you that. If you have used calculation stage anywhere in your project, in this project, then it will just highlight that part. If you see, this is the calculation stage, it will just zoom that area. So let me show you that. Go to debug, click on enable calculation zoom and right click that, and you can also check like this. Now and let me right click here, set next stage, and I am going to show you this part. This is also one calculation. So whenever it will, this process execution will come on this page, on this stage, calculation stage, it will zoom here. Let me run this and I will pause also, and you see here now this is the calculation zoom, and you can see this is retry count +1, and now it is going to store in a retry count data item. So this is the calculation and storing in the retry count. This is the value that we have used, this is the expression, and this is the page name where it is used. And here we have launch and login. It means this same calculation we have used on the launch and login page also. So if you want to go to that specific page, you need to click on this hyperlink, and you can see here we have used this also. Now I want to go back to that page specific, click on this, right?